everybody, I'm Ashley Esqueda, and it's time for another installment of Just Show Me on Tekka TV, where we take your tech toys and gadgets and show you how to get the most out of them. Today, I'm going to show you how to use one-touch dialing on your Android phone. Now, a good reason to use this is if you dial a specific person a lot, like your child or your spouse, you can have a one-press button on your home screen that will allow you to call them immediately. You don't have to launch the phone app. It's really great for quick, easy phone calls to people you call all the time. So we are going to launch the home screen. You long press, and you will see a whole bunch of different options that you can add to your home screen. And what we're looking for is shortcuts. So we'll tap on shortcuts, and at that point, you'll get another list of things you can add to your home screen. We're looking for direct dial. So let's choose direct dial, and it will pull up your contact list. Now at this point, you want to type in the name of the contact that you're looking for. I am going to put in Tekka because I love Tekka, and I'm going to hit enter. Now, once you've hit that, you can actually choose, in certain cases, what you would like the direct dial button to do. If there are multiple phone numbers associated with that contact, it will ask you which one you would like to use for direct dial. So we are going to choose the only phone number we have available for Tekka, and at that point, you will see it will take you back to your home screen, and it will drop a very little icon on your Android phone with the picture of the user that you are going to reach, and all you have to do is tap it, and it will instantly dial them. No need to open the phone. Immediate direct dialing, one touch. That's been Just Show Me on Tekka TV. Be sure to check out tekka.com for all of our other content, and we'll see you next time.